I travel a lot for work. Constantly traveling can be a grind. The word work, to me, implies something heavy, something challenging. Work may afford you certain opportunities. It may take you places you've never been before. But in the end, you're still at work. And if you have to work, make sure you take the time to enjoy. With all the travel I do for work, I make it a point to take the time to see the sights, to get more out of it than just a 9 to 5. I take the time to see the sights from a different perspective.
No problem. Oh, looks like I cracked it, but it'll be alright.
I've created a new challenge. It might take some time to get there, but I'm willing to put in the work. 5-story elevator tower. Dive, dive, dive. How do you practice for that? If you got any ideas, leave them in the comments.